Is your Ninja Creami refusing to power on? No lights, no sound. Just a dead machine? Here's what to check before you assume it's broken. Step 1. Make sure it's plugged directly into the wall. Don't use extension cords or power strips. Plug the machine into a working wall outlet to ensure full voltage. Step 2. Check the outlet with another device. Test the outlet by plugging in a phone charger or appliance. If it's not working, reset the circuit breaker or try a different outlet. Step 3. Confirm the lid and pint are correctly installed. The Creami won't turn on unless everything is locked into place. Pint must be fully seated in the outer bowl. Lid must be twisted on until it clicks. Bowl must be locked into the base. If any part isn't aligned, the unit will stay off for safety. Step 4. Look for stuck buttons or blocked sensors. Wipe down the control panel and inspect for any stuck debris near the buttons or latch sensors. Even small blockages can prevent startup. Step 5. Unplug for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the internal circuit in case of a glitch or power interruption. Still nothing? It could be a faulty safety switch or power issue. Ninja support is linked in the description if you need help with a replacement. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next Frozen creation.